let's go ahead and open this up. So before we open this, when you turn around, these are the contents that's inside the box and compatibility. Now if I bring this close, I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. Yeah, if I bring this close, it supports Sony Alpha, Panasonic Lumix series cameras, and it also supports Canon, Nikon, and Canon 5D. Now you might be wondering, if you have a Fuji and stuff like that, Fujis are not compatible with this, and also I'm pretty sure Olympus, Fuji, I think so, they are not compatible with this. You can still do it without the, you know, like tweaking functions and everything. Let's go ahead and quickly unbox this. So we are going to open this up. So opening is pretty easy. I do not have a scissor today, and I'm going to try to open this without the scissors and see how easy it is to open this. So they say open it like this. So I've removed the tag, and after that, and should be an easy unboxing. Yeah. Wow, the good thing is that inside the box there is actually a case, and I don't know whether you guys can see or not. Yeah, there's a case out here, and that's how the Zhiyun crane actually comes in. So apart from the box, you will find a small case, and they have kept everything inside this case. Now let's go ahead and take the box aside and see what's there inside. What I like is that it's a very good thing that they thought of bringing the case, so that you know, like a lot of times when we are carrying this, we face problems and stuff like that. We'll go ahead and unbox this case right now. So pretty simple, and inside this lies everything. So let's zoom in and see what's inside. Okay, so at first you're going to see some manuals and stuff like that. It's very important because there is some sort of compatibility issue with the Zhiyun on the Mac, but it works perfectly fine with the Windows. So we'll take this aside, and yeah, the whole gimbal construction is here. These are special batteries. I think these are 500 batteries. I was thinking that I need some yeah, I think I need some special batteries to it. This is a small, and this is a small handle that you pop in, and cable that you can connect directly to your Sony cameras. And yeah, I think this is the cable. I don't know whether you can see or not. Yeah, this is the cable, and this is the gimbal that's protected inside. Alrighty guys, so you saw the unboxing in the channel. I went outside because I shot everything inside, but then I was like, nah, I'm not going to do the inside shot, it gets too boring. So we went outside, we bought the new Zhiyun crane. We'll quickly open it up and see what's inside this box. Good thing is that Zhiyun actually includes the whole packaging with the box, so that you can carry it around. So in this video, I'm going to include a 2-minute process to stabilize your Sonys, your Canons, and everything on the Zhiyun crane. So let's jump in. Alrighty, so guys, we are going to try to balance the gimbal under 2 minutes. So before we begin, we have to know about few stuffs. The first thing is that I would highly recommend somebody to buy a small tripod like this, so that you can keep on top of the table and try to balance this while you guys are, you know, like planning to balance this and stuff like that. This mini tripod is actually sold separately for around about $10 or $12. You can buy it on Amazon, GearBest, wherever you guys are buying it from, I don't care. But do buy this one because it's highly recommended. Otherwise your gimbal, you'll actually feel so tired after using this for hour and a half. You want to place it somewhere, and that's where these guys come into play. Now let's go ahead and try to mount my Sony a7 Mark II. Remember this, if you are going to balance this and your cap is on, take off your cap. If you're shooting at night, you do not need this you know, like a lens hood. You can take off the lens hood if you want. So basically strip it down to the minimum that you're going to use for your shoot or your you know, like small videos that you're making. So let's go ahead and try to install this. First things first, there's a small screw that's given, so that will go at the bottom. And after that, you just take the camera and you install the camera. And when it's done, it sits like this. There is a front railing which you can control later on, but we are going to install this small thing that fits on the lens. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this. So once we have installed this, we'll take the other screw and we'll screw this from the top. Alrighty, this is done. So which means that the lens can now not extend more than this. You will see that the left side is dripping more than the right, so we'll have to take the weight and we have to distribute it to the other side. So more, and now it's 90 degrees, so we'll turn this thing. And on the other side, you will see that the crane is a little bit tilted to the front, or maybe it's not. If you see it a little bit tilted to the front, you can actually bring this down a bit by adjusting the tilt axis. But it's now more or less stable. So there you go, guys. You can stable the whole crane under 2 minutes rather than listening to videos that explain you blah 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 blah. And after that, you can just press this power button and you can turn on the crane. You just need to press the power button and you need to turn on the crane. That's it, guys. That's pretty much it. In the next video, we are going to see how the Zhiyun crane works, what are the different modes on it, and what are the type of shots that you're going to create. So better way to explain is that we are going to shoot some videos, and after that we are going to tell you which modes we were using to use this on a Zhiyun crane. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do share with your friends and subscribe with the notification buttons on. Take care.